everybody, and in this video today we will bring Hoppity Hoppity Little Bunny. Hippity Hoppity Little Bunny, where'd you hide your eggs? Are they behind the daffodils or behind your mommy's legs? Skippity Skippity Little Bunny, can you see your friends? Chirp chirp, they found some eggs down where the rainbow ends. Jump, jump, little bunny, more eggs. 1, 2, 3. Put them in the Easter basket, ready for you and me. Hippity hoppity, little bunny. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Tell me in the comments and subscribe my channel.